chocolano.
Yes. Oh yeah!
So we're gonna use more. Oh, I think we need more.
Yeah, we need more.
So we're gonna use the above, and this time he has a brother. Creamy milk is going in.
And now we got that chocloca.
Oh, this one's sealed, man.
Because it's new, man.
Alright, that's enough. Bro, we literally just like finished this one. Alright, so we're gonna finish the premium prime stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Adi mana mana manoy din na.
Oh, I almost did it.
Oh, I got jammed, man. Oh, the Irish sometimes get jammed. It feels so bad, but whatever.
It feels so bad, bro.
It feels so bad, bro.
There's nothing in there. Oh my gosh. That was a gastric lettuce one.
What the heck?
Dum do them.
The premium marshmallow.
Marshmallows.
Oh. Oh yeah. And there sprinkles. It hit the back of my throat. You don't try that at home, kid.
Try it outside. Oh. Oh no.
Get the thing out. Grab the
What
thing.
thing?
Grab the thing out of the thing.
Oh.
Grab the thing out of the thing. Move the cup. Move the cup. Put it in a clear area. Yeah. No, you idiot.
Hello. Dance.
What is that?
Scare you, yeah.
Wait, record this. No, it fell down there.
Dude, that was a colossal miss, bro. Hello, guys. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.